Hey you, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're giving you 4 reasons why MS Word is the CV pitfall you need to avoid. Let's get started. Creating a CV is one of the most important steps in your job search. There are many debates about what type of format is best to use, but another important thing to think about is what program you should use. Word is one of the most well-known and popular programs we use in our daily lives. And for good reasons, as there are many things that you can do with the program. But if you're thinking about creating a CV, we suggest you use another program. Want to know why? Well, we are here to give you 4 reasons why you should avoid using Word for your CV. 1. Formatting woes. Formatting is very important, as the right format for your CV can make or break your chances with the hiring manager. Therefore, your CV must keep its original format no matter on which device it is displayed. Word documents can display differently on various devices, leading to formatting issues that can make your CV look very unprofessional. 2. Limited creativity. In this day and age, the competition when looking for a job is intense, as for many job openings there could be more than 1,000 applicants. Therefore, it's more important than ever that you stand out. Of course, your education, work experience, skills, and personality can do the trick, but in the first stages, it all comes down to your CV. This means that putting some creativity into your CV can get it on top of the pile of the other CVs. But when using Word, you may notice that it may be challenging to create a visually appealing and unique CV, as Word lacks design flexibility. 3. Compatibility concerns. As we mentioned before, you don't know what device a hiring manager or recruiter uses. They may be using a device with systems that aren't able to open Word files. This may also be the case for applicant tracking systems. That is why using alternative programs to create your CV will ensure compatibility. 4. Easy edits. Once your CV is out there, you might need to make updates. Editing a Word document might result in formatting problems. Other programs are often easier to edit without complications. As you can see, creating your CV in Word may not be the best option to make the best impression in your job search. So explore other options and make the most of your job search. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.